Ini sudah. Can I start the lesson today about graph? All of you have joined the Zoom meeting. Sudah join semua itu?
Ada yang belum, Bu?
Wait for a moment. I start right now, okay? Okay, the next material is about graph. What do you think about graph? You know graph? The pictures in the slide belongs to graph or chart, pie chart, line graph, bar graph, scatter graph, etc. Which graph do you usually, which paragraph is familiar for you? Which paragraph? Pie chart familiar for you? Is pie chart familiar for you? Pernah lihat nggak pie chart ini?
Pernah, Bu.
Line graph? How about line graph? Line graph. Paragraph also familiar for you? Okay, next slide, please. A graph is a mathematical diagram which shows the relationship between two or more sets of numbers or measurements. Jadi diagram yang menunjukkan hubungan antara angka ya. The synonyms of a graph is diagram, figure, table, and also chart. Ya. Next slide. These are the example of charts and graph. Pie chart ini, line graph ini, bar graph ini, scatter graph ini. Next slide. Oke, types of movement. Di sini contoh-contoh perubahan in a graph or chart. Turun itu fall, 2 ke 4 namanya double, increase double point I mean. Berubah-ubah, fluctuate, naik, increase, turun itu half, 4 ke 2, 4.4 to 0.2, half, berarti separuh ya. Yang keenam mulainya berubah-ubah, kemudian stop rising, berhenti. Yang puncak namanya peak point, yang dasar itu namanya plumb, kemudian yang dari atas ke bawah terus naik lagi, recover, kemudian naik menjulang tinggi, roket. Naik dari angka 2 ke 6 namanya increase triple point. Kan 2 ke 6 kan 3 kali lipat kan, 3 times. Next slide. Tomato soup sellers 2017. This is the example of description of a graph, line graph. The top one, highest point ya, yang paling tinggi, peak, puncak. Kemudian kalau turun itu namanya subfall, turun secara drastis. Steady growth itu naiknya tidak begitu tinggi, normal. Ya, kalau point terendah namanya lowest. Ingat-ingat, go up itu namanya to increase atau to grow, naik. Kalau turun itu go down atau to decrease or to fall, boleh. Ya, I would like to show you the next example, please. Next, Mbak. Ini ya contohnya. Sales of organic vegetables. Di situ penjualan sayuran organik di tahun 2021. Januari ke Februari itu kan simbolnya A, Februari ke Maret itu B, yang C itu Maret ke April, yang D itu dari April ke Mei, Mei ke Juni E, F itu yang Juni, Juli, yang G itu dari Juni ke Juli, yang H dari Juli ke Agustus, yang I itu Agustus ke September, yang J dari September ke Oktober, Oktober ke November K, November ke Desember itu L ya. Saya gambarkan mulai dari A. A itu naik apa turun ya? Increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase. So the description will be yang A ya, dengarkan. Sellers of organic vegetables have increased from 1 million pounds to 2 million pounds in January to February 2021. Sekarang yang B. B kan dari poin 2 ke 3 ya, di bulan Februari ke Maret. Sellers of organic vegetables have increased from 2 million pounds to 3 million pounds from February to March 2021. Kemudian yang C, Maret ke April ya, di situ stagnan di poin ketiga ya. Sellers of organic vegetables have stopped rising at 3 million pounds in March to April 2021. Kemudian dari April ke Mei. April ke Mei kan. Sellers of organic vegetables have increased from point 3 to, sellers of organic vegetable has increased from 3 million pounds to 7 million pounds from April to May 2021. Yang E gimana yang E? Any volunteer to describe E? Yang E ini loh, E. Anyone would like to practice? Mas Abdul maybe? Sellers of organic vegetables increase atau decrease ya itu yang E? Increase kan, naik kan? Have increased from 7 million pounds to 11 million pounds from May to June 2021. Sedangkan yang F itu kan peak point ya. Sellers of organic vegetables have reached peak point at 11 million pounds in June 2021. Yang D berarti turun ya, dari poin 11 ke poin 6 ya, di bulan Juni ke Juli. So the description will be, sellers of organic vegetables have decreased from 11 million pounds to 6 million pounds from June to July 2021. Kemudian yang H, sellers of organic vegetables have decreased from 6 million pounds to 4 million pounds from July to August 2021. Ya. Yang I coba, anyone would like to practice? Yang I? Yang I itu loh. I. Mbak Arifah, wanna try? Itu kan stop rising kan itu. Judulnya dulu. Sellers of organic vegetables have stopped rising from 4 million pounds, bukan from ya, has stopped rising at 4 million pounds from August to September 2021. Yang J berarti turun ya dari poin 4 ke poin 2. Sellers of organic vegetables turun berarti have decreased from 4 million pounds to 2 million pounds from September to October 2021. Yang K sekarang. Sellers of organic vegetables have decreased from berapa itu? 2 million pounds to 1 million pounds from apa itu? Oktober to November 2021 ya. Kemudian yang November ke Desember. Sellers of organic vegetables have stopped rising at November to December. Sales of organic vegetable have stopped rising at 1 million pounds from November to December 2021. Next slide, Mbak. Nah, ini ya penjelasannya sudah saya tulis di sini. Next slide, please. Sudah jawabannya yang tadi saya spoken, tadi tulisan. Next slide, ini ya, sampai L. Sekarang bentuknya pie chart. For example, the description is about sales of furniture, penjualan furniture. Sales of furniture in North America is 32%. Sales of furniture in West America is 21%. Sales of furniture in East America is 25%. Sales of furniture in South America is 22%. Understand? Yes, okay.
Yes, Miss.
Next. Ini Snickers, KitKat, Twix, Toblerone, Milky Way. Sales of coklat ya, coklat, penjualan coklat. Sales of Snickers is 14%. Sales of KitKat is 19%. Sales of Twix in 29%. Sales of Toblerone is 5%, and sales of Milky Way is 33%. So which one is the highest percentage of chocolate, sales of chocolate? Which one? The highest percentage. Yang mana? Milky Way. And how about the lowest? The lowest. Toblerone, okay. The first highest is Milky Way. After Milky Way, Twix, and then KitKat, Snickers, and the lowest is Toblerone, right? Next slide, please. Oke, ini enaknya penjualan apa ya sebenarnya? Sales of apa ini? Sales of fruits ya. Sales of fruits in Kudus is 32%. Penjualan buah-buahan di Kudus 32%. Sales of fruits in Jepara is 24%. Sales of fruits in Semarang is 10%. Sales of fruits in Wonogiri is 9%, for example. Sales of fruits in Jakarta is 26%, for example, like that. Next slide, please. The way to reach out. Ya. Ini Sony Mobile Sales Graph. Jadi grafik penjualan HP Sony ya, HP Sony. Dari tahun 2004 ke 2017. Berapa itu lakunya? Ini caranya membaca. Sales of Sony Mobile in 2004 is 40 units. 40 kan itu. Kemudian sales of mobile phone in 2005 is 50 units. Sales of Sony Mobile in 2006 is 70 units.
70 unit.
Coba Mas Abdul 2007. Sales of
2000 unit. 1000.
Ya, yang lengkap. Complete sentence, please.
Sales of 2007.
Sales of mobile phone in 2007
is 1000.
1000, more than 1000 ya kayaknya. 1000, 100 kan
100. Sorry.
100 unit. Sales of mobile phone in 2008 is 90 units. Sales of mobile phone of Sony in 2009 is 50 units. Sales of mobile phone, Sony mobile phone in 2010 is 40 units. Sales of mobile phone in in 2011 is 30 units. Sales of mobile phone in 2012 is 30 units. Sales of mobile phone in 2013 is 40 units. Sales of mobile phone in Sony mobile phone in 2014 is 40 units. Sales of mobile phone in 2015 is 30 unit, 30 unit ya. 2016 itu ada berapa? 10 ya. Sales of mobile, Sony Mobile in 2016 is 10 unit. And sales of Sony Mobile in 2017 is 10 units. Gimana? Any questions? Is the explanation so easy for you? Coba yang 2016, Mbak Putri Alia. Repeat.
Sales Sony Mobile on 2016
Is
10 millions.
10 sales, yeah, 10 units, ya. Oke, true. And then siapa lagi? Partisipan. Mbak Sevira. Yang 2009, Mbak. Mbak Sevira nggak ada suaranya. Mbak Alaidia Audi Puanisa. Mbak Auladia Puanisa. Ayo, Mbak. Ayo, Mbak. Mbaknya mana ini? Kok nggak kelihatan? Oh, nggak ada. Masa ya Mbak Arifah, Mbak Putri Alia, sama Mas Abdul. Masa 3 doang. Coba ini turn on kamera. Turn on kamera. Please show your face to me. Mbak Arifah, coba 2008 Mbak Arifah. Sales of Sony Mobile in.
Sales of
Sony Mobile.
Sales of Sony Mobile at 2008 is 90
unit, ya. Mau sinyal saya jelek. Putus-putus ya. Suara saya putus-putus.
Tidak, Bu.
Yang lain Mbak Putri, Mas Abdul, suaranya putus-putus.
Aman, Bu, aman.
Aman.
Mungkin itu suara mereka, Bu, yang gangguan.
Oh, gitu. Coba Mas Abdul yang 2012 ya, Mas. Coba.
Sales of 2000.
Sales of Sony Mobile.
Ini Gar.
Sales of Sony Mobile in 2012 is berapa itu? 40 units. Okay, any questions so far? I would like to give you assignment and I would like to inform you tomorrow the assignment. Okay? And also next week will be mid-semester test. Mid-semester test of English minggu depan ya. Is your management lecturer, have your English management, have your management lecturers inform you about that mid-semester test in Next week sudah diumumkan UTS minggu depan dosen manajemen.
Belum, Bu.
Belum diumumkan. Minggu depan nggak ada satupun.
Belum, Bu.
Ada Bu matkul lain Bu.
Apa?
Itu apa ya? Apa konsepnya?
Belum diumumkan ada UTS ya, Mbak Arifah?
Belum, Bu.
Mikro Bu. Mikro Sabtu Bu. Kelas E.
Sabtu minggu depan atau Sabtu ini?
Bukan Sabtu. Ya Sabtu depan.
Dosennya siapa?
Pak Rojak, Pak Yasin Bu.
Oh, yang lain dosen yang lain belum inform you.
Belum Bu.
Minggu depan bahasa Inggris ya. Tak kasih soalnya nanti tak kabari kalau udah jadi.
Yep.
Okay, I think that's all. See you for upcoming occasion.